Hello, everyone. Before I retired 10 years ago, I worked as a social worker investigating child abuse and neglect. Very stressful. And it didn't pay that well. I had to have some side hustles. So at varying times, I sold Avon, I sold health insurance, um, and I was not a good steward of my finances because I was always robbing Peter to pay Paul. On top of that, because I'm always running, I didn't have enough energy. I didn't have enough time with my kids. That was not good. This digital program, this awesome digital program that I developed, Jules Daily Pay, from, is automated. I'm working a couple hours a day, not including the training aspect, but the actually work aspect is a couple hours a day. It's awesome. And the quality of the mentoring, it's either live or replay through via Zoom. It reminds me of Tony Robbins. Ultimately, I want to leave a legacy of an entrepreneurial mindset for my kids, my grandkids, my great grandkids, for wealth that includes integrity and giving. Check this out. Take care.